Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. The S&P 500 was down 0.8% today. It was actually up over a percent at one point during the day and then ended up falling. And one of the main things that I saw today was that the price of the S&P 500, et cetera, was up, but so was the yield on the 10 and the 2-year treasury, which I was talking about yesterday. That's not a good sign for the stock market, because if that yield continues to go up, it's kind of signaling that the Federal Reserve might get more aggressive and what have you. And then of course, we had a parade of Federal Reserve governors and what have you come out and do interviews today. And quite a few very aggressive comments were made, which made the yield on the 10 and 2-year go even higher and ultimately made the stock market kind of give in. I don't expect to see a day by day relationship that's inverse between the yield on the 2 and the 10-year and, what's happening with the stock market. But I will say, as long as those continue to go up and up and up, and haven't really shown any, fall off from their highs, you're bound to have, a stock market that does struggle. And again, we do see this situation where the Federal Reserve keeps coming out and, they're telling what they're going to do there, but they're also, not beating around the bush like they used to a bit just to try to support the stock market. I think, ultimately having the market come down is something that would help them in their fight against inflation as far as that goes too. So, we'll have to see how this does play out. But that's what's happening today. Very interesting. We had two big run-ups, Monday and Tuesday, giving back some of that. We'll see what happens tomorrow. There's options expiration tomorrow, so sometimes that does bring down the stock market also. It's very interesting. A couple of weeks ago, we had a similar situation where we had a huge run-up on a Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was down and took it almost all the way back. And it seems like that's kind of what's happening again this week. Markets having, a difficult time really trying to reestablish this uptrend. It is trying. So we'll see what happens. We haven't fallen below some of the support levels that are there. So hopefully we hang in there. We did touch that 50%, retracement level once and then, retreated off of that. So we'll see if it go back down there or not. So anyway, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I do my show, Talk Money with Tom on YouTube. You can please join me there. And I'll do a summary for what I saw happening for the week. I kind of show you some of the things I'm looking at in terms of these treasuries and what have you too. So look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.